Hola amigos, welcome to Fatima Spanish Kitchen. So keep until the end because I'm going to show you how to peel the red roasted peppers, because sometimes it can be, tricky. So you have to keep watching the video because at the end I'm going to give you the secret ingredient that I'm going to add to that salad to make it completely different. And so you have to watch how to peel it and my secret ingredient. This recipe, of course, we are going to use red peppers. They have to be, in Spanish we said that they have meat, so they are hard, they are, completely red, and they don't have any coal. I wash them really well. You can use as many as you want. Put it in an oven-proof dish. I have I'm going to sprinkle all the red peppers with olive oil. The best thing is to do it with your hands. The olive oil is really good for your hands. Some salt on top of the red peppers. I have my oven on for 350 Fahrenheit. The peppers have been in the oven for an hour, 15 minutes. Everything depends on the big, how thick, how big are the peppers. So, you turn it around so they get, cooked or evenly for all the sides. So my trick to make it easy to peel, I have a Ziploc, and then I'm going to put it here, be careful, and just close it and leave it to cool down. Will be so easy to peel, and then you can leave it like this until the next day and then peel. How easy it is to peel, it's so easy. Like to take out the seed, and one good thing is to have a bowl with water, and with the water you clean your hands so you take out all the seeds. Have the peppers ready. You can even have it like this. Cut it as thick as you want. I like it to cut it in the long way. Have all the peppers cut in strips here, and also I keep the liquid, and I keep it because they have all the flavors. Now we are going to start making our salad. So we are going to add a little bit of olive oil in a pan, and we're going to fry some garlic. And I have here the slice of 3 garlic, so I just add all the garlic, and just fry it a little bit because you know that the garlic burn very fast. Then I add all the peppers to fry, and I'm going to add the liquid because that is so tasty that you have to add it here. Going to add just a little bit of salt because we add salt before on the peppers. Now we stir it around for a little bit to mix all the flavors. And now I'm going to add my secret ingredient that I told you, that is a little bit of sugar. So I'm going to sprinkle some sugar, just a little bit. So what it's going to do is to take out the acidity of the peppers and add some touch of caramelize, with all the juices of the pepper, and you will see how delicious it's going to be, that touch. And you keep cooking for a little bit until everything, all the juices, get together and caramelize a little bit. That is done. Everything, you see how the sauce is integrated and the sugar is completely infused with all the flavors. I'm going to try, and you see, the touch of the sugar is that an amazing touch because it's like a caramelized sugar that you add in that salad. That is so good. Keep it in the refrigerator for like 3 or 4 days. I like it more personally the next day when it's more cool down. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like, please don't forget to thumb up, to subscribe and ring the bell so you will get notified when I upload a new video. And I love to read your comments, so if you have any comment, please let me know down below. Wonderful week, and I see you next week. Bye bye.